Good day, traders. This is Rick with your aftermarket update. Today is Thursday, February 20th, and this is the Futures Trading Coach live trading alert room. All of our trades today were in the ES. There was a couple decent moves pre-market in crude, but we were not here. The room was not open, so we did not take any trades in crude today. In the ES, we were pretty active today. And I'm going to tell you what we did. I'm going to go through them pretty quickly because there was a lot going on today. First trade we got long. 8:36 Central Standard Time, right up here, and I said that I wanted this thing to go up. Once this candle closed, I started getting really worried. I said this thing needs to go right away. It started creeping up there a little bit. Once it slammed down here, it came down about a point and a half from the top. So we were about a point below our buy-in. I just said get out of the trade. Now it bounced around here a little bit, so maybe a 4-tick loss. Normally we trade with an 8-tick stop, a 2-point stop. So people got out anywhere from 3 ticks, 4 ticks, maybe 5-tick loser on that. And it was not a full position. I repeat, it was not a full position. Okay, so this was a small loser here, considering it wasn't a full stop and it was a half a position. We came back down. I called a short at 1827. Again, I said because news was coming out, I said that you have to take this small. 675 or 7 was the price. It was about 9 minutes before the news, but I said that it was close enough to where we just got to be careful. So again, we got into the trade. We got into profits before the news came. Once the news came out, I said go to entry. We're not going to give back any of our profits. It had went to about 2 to 3 points at that point. I said most likely at some point this thing's going to come back up, but it may have one more push down. So either you were out with a nice profit or you stayed in for the news, looking to get down to this 2250 area again. And that's where most of us got out who stayed in. Now, after that, the market came back up. Now again, this was a smaller position as well. So it was a nice, really, really nice winner from 27, went down to about 21, although most people would have gotten out around 22.50, 23. So 3 or 4 points, again, on a smaller size position, but it was a nice winner. Market came back up. I called a long at 924. The price was 775. I said if you have to grab 8, that's fine, but everybody got filled at 775 because it was between these two candles here. And there was a couple different entries to get long there. Said it could come back about a point and a quarter. No big deal because we trade with a 2-point stop. That's why we trade with a 2-point stop. But I said I didn't think it was going to come back, so we're going to just have to hop in now and go from there. So that's what we did. Market came up. We started taking profits, and the first major target was up here at 32.50 to 33. I actually said it should get to 33.25, so I put my line right here at 33 so that you would get filled. Once it got up here, tried 2 or 3 times. I said it would be nice if you want to take profits. This would be a good area, but by no means was there any material change in the marketplace. I also offered an add-on here at 31 again. So if you were in from 775, you took profits along the way, you could have re-added some of your position here to capture more profits, and that's exactly what some people did. If you entered as a brand new trade, you could have entered as a brand new trade as well. I told people at 31. This was the same trade we were looking at was going to work, that we were looking to try to get to work over here. And I said that if it comes back up at some point in the morning, of course I didn't know when that was going to be, when the market started coming down, I said that trade would still be valid. And it absolutely worked for a really nice winner. Next target came up, was 33.50, and then I had 34.75. We started taking profits here. I said if you want to hold for the 44.75, you can, but I needed to stay above 33.25. Once it got below 33.25 for 2 or 3 candles, I said just take the rest of it off here. Would probably be a nice put a trailing stop or whatever. So a lot of people were out on any runners that they had here, but not after taking nice profits. So that was a beautiful trade there. That was from about 775 to 2. That was about 4 to 5 points on that trade. And then for the final trade we took, we did a short. That was at 31 at 10:27 Central Standard Time. We added at 33 for those who waited and opted for the pullback. we they entered at 33. So that actually would have been a winner. What happened was, if you got in at 31 and you added at 33, your average was 32. So when the market came back down here to 32, I told everybody to either get out with a point profit if they got in at 33, or at break even if they got in at 31 and added. So it was either a break even or a 1-point winner, and that's how we ended the day. So pretty active day today. We had one break even or a winner, one really nice winner here, one add-on to that to make more money, or a second additional entry, which was also a winner, another winner down here, and then we had a small loser here. So that was the day. We're going to come back and we're going to do it again tomorrow. And until then, we'll see you later.